Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we are diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 7th, 2024, our system has categorized BigBear.ai Holdings as a hold or accumulate, assigning a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 63.4% since we initially recommended purchasing BigBear.ai Holdings 18 days ago. This results in an average return of 3.52% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of the most recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it may move in either direction. The stock has broken through a notably wide and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of increase ahead. Should there be any pullback, support will now be found at the peak of the recently broken trend, specifically at $2.33. This level may present a second opportunity for significant gains. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 47.79% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 4.55% to positive 21.37%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential decline of about 10.87% over the next year, with a possible return varying between negative 69.24% and positive 24.62%. This corresponds to a price range between 87 cents and $3.53 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings features the headline, "A volatile ride for BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Tuesday, moving between $2.12 and $2.92. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price increased by 29.45% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, rising from $2.19 to $2.84. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 37.74%, reaching a low of $2.12 and a high of $2.92. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and has increased by 61.54% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also saw an increase, with 44 million more shares changing hands compared to the previous day. In total, 56 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $158.27 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $4.79, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price sits at 40.81%, or $1.96, below the 52-week high, and 82.41%, or $13.29, below the all-time high recorded on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price reached $16.12. BigBear.ai has shown a remarkable surge in stock performance, soaring by as much as 20.9% on December 3rd. This impressive rise indicates strong market interest, potentially fueled by a recent Golden Cross event. In this event, the company's 50-day moving average surpassed its 200-day average, a bullish sign for investors. In the broader context, BigBear.ai is drawing comparisons to successful AI firms like Palantir Technologies, which has reported a staggering 285% return this year alone. This positive sentiment surrounding AI stocks could translate to further gains for BigBear.ai as investor interest in the sector remains robust. However, caution is warranted. Recent earnings reports revealed concerning financial metrics, including significant debt and cash burn, which raise worries about long-term viability. The company's limited cash reserves and substantial net debt position are critical factors that could hinder future growth and lead to shareholder dilution if additional capital is raised. In the short term, the recent stock price jump may attract momentum traders and speculative investors. In the long run, however, sustained interest will depend on addressing financial health and demonstrating consistent growth. This duality of risk and opportunity creates a complex outlook for BigBear.ai's stock trajectory. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to BigBear.ai Holdings stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. For return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $2.32 and $1.87. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was activated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 1st of November, 2024, and it has since risen by approximately 79%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a strong technical signal. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggested a buy signal 22 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 36 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 4 days ago. The long-term moving average issued a sell signal 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 37 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe the short moving average provided a buy signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average issued a buy signal 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 59 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $2.44 and $2.25. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this level could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, BigBear.ai Holdings has support just below today's level at $2.44. Should this level be breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $2.25 and $2.19. This stock exhibits significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a very broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 800 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 37.74%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 15.69%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and raise concerns about possible bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of March, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates project a loss of 5 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential detrading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to help determine your exit point. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $2.44. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from various analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider transactions were carried out by BBAI Ultimate Holdings LLC, who bought and sold 7,041,479 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 10.078. In total, insiders purchased 66,427,650 shares and sold 43,398,488 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $2.72, which represents a decline of 3.93%. This stock experiences substantial daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom discovered 21 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? BigBear.ai Holdings presents several positive indicators. However, these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is best regarded as a hold candidate, meaning you may choose to hold or accumulate shares while observing further developments. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 4th of December, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open down by 0.2%, beginning trading at $2.63. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day, with best wishes from everyone here at StockInvest.